Before buying a Y-Pipe for your 6.0 Powerstroke, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Zodic Performance Y-Pipe Kit. First up is the Zodic Performance Upgraded Standpipe and Dummy Plug Replacement Kit. Priced at $139.98. This kit caught my eye with its heavy-duty build and promise of no more leaks. If you want your 6.0L Powerstroke to run smoothly without those annoying oil pressure issues, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this kit stand out? It's crafted from premium heat-treated steel, making it super strong and reliable. The integrated check valves help maintain oil pressure, which means no more long crank times or hard starts. Plus, it withstands over 4,000 psi of oil pressure, so you're covered whether you're stock or tuned. Honestly, this is essential for anyone looking to avoid the dreaded injector stiction that can ruin your day. Now, some folks mention that installation can be tricky because of the tight spaces in the engine bay. Here's the thing, though. If you're a DIYer with a bit of mechanical knowledge, it's definitely manageable. Just make sure to have the right tools handy. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining your 6.0L Powerstroke and want to avoid costly breakdowns. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to install without any effort. But overall, it's a solid investment for your truck. Now, if the installation aspect of a Zodic Performance Kit sounds daunting, the next option might be more up your alley. Product number 2. Pacify Turbocharger Y-Pipe. Next up is the Pacify Turbocharger Y-Pipe, priced at $75.99. What caught my attention here is its solid construction and a great warranty. If you're after a reliable part that won't break the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. This Y-Pipe is designed for all 2003 to 2007 Ford 6.0L Powerstroke models. It boasts a polished finish and is made from stainless steel, which helps prevent warping and cracking under pressure. This is vital because a good seal means better turbo performance. With over 231 reviews and a 4.2 star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied with it. However, some users reported that the fitment can be a bit off in certain trucks. Here's the thing. If your truck has any modifications, that could be a factor in fitment issues. But for most stock setups, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a cost-effective replacement without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you have a heavily modified engine since fit issues could be a concern, but for most, it's a smart buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a heavy-duty solution. Product number 3. Rudy's Heavy-Duty Y-Pipe. Coming in at $109.95, Rudy's Heavy-Duty Y-Pipe offers a bit more robustness. It's built for those who push their 6.0 Powerstroke to the limits. If you want something that can handle serious power, this could be your go-to. This kit includes a gasket and turbo install kit, making it a convenient package. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability, which is exactly what you need if you're towing or hauling. With a 4.4 star rating from 189 reviews, it seems like many are satisfied with its performance. On the downside, a few users did mention that it might be a bit overkill for those with stock engines. But here's the thing. If you're planning any upgrades down the line, investing in this now could save you headaches later. This is perfect for you if you're running a tuned engine or often use your truck for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you're just driving around town with a stock setup, but it's worth the price for those who need extra durability. If you want something a little different, let's talk about the next product, which focuses on supporting the piping system itself. Product number 4. Kickify Intercooler Boots Kit. Next up, we have the Kickify 6.0 Turbo Intercooler Boots Clamps Kit, priced at $36.59. At first glance, it may seem like a simple addition, but these boots can significantly enhance your performance. If you're looking to upgrade the weak points in your system, this is worth checking out. This kit comes with 4 silicone hoses and 8 clamps designed to replace old, worn-out factory boots. The high-quality silicone can handle high pressure while maintaining flexibility, which is crucial during operation. Plus, the stainless steel T-bar clamps keep everything secure. Honestly, if you've had issues with leaks or loss of pressure, upgrading to this kit could solve those headaches. However, some customers found the installation a bit tricky due to tight spaces and angles. But here's the thing. If you're comfortable with some DIY, it's manageable, and the performance gains can be noticeable. This is perfect for you if you want to replace deteriorating factory components and improve performance. Skip this one if you're not ready for a bit of hands-on work, but for a small price, the benefits are significant. Finally, let's wrap things up with a more comprehensive solution that addresses the entire intercooler setup. Product number 5, DK Engine Parts Intercooler Pipe Kit. Last but not least, we have the DK Engine Parts Intercooler Pipe Kit, priced at $209.99. This one is a bit pricier, but if you're looking for a complete overhaul of your intercooler setup, it could be worth it. If you want to ensure maximum efficiency and longevity for your engine, this is a solid pick. This kit includes all necessary pipes, clamps, and O-rings for a full installation. The gloss black finish not only looks good, but also helps resist corrosion. With a 4.4-star rating from 99 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the quality and ease of installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A well-sealed intercooler setup can drastically reduce pressure loss, leading to improved overall engine performance. However, some users have noted that it may not come with detailed instructions, which can be a bit frustrating. But if you're already familiar with installations, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're serious about performance and want to ensure your setup is as efficient as possible. Skip this one if you need something with a straightforward installation right out of the box, but the value is great for power enthusiasts. So, to wrap things up, we've covered some great options for your 6.0 Powerstroke Y-Pipe needs. From Zoda Performance's reliable kit to Rudy's heavy-duty option, Kickify's budget-friendly clamps, and DK Engine Parts' full intercooler overhaul, there's something for every Powerstroke owner. Keep in mind your specific needs, and you can't go wrong with any of these picks.